Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa searchi ene ni dey di kan ya wo dey ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be ya notification ene sa ne news e de betu me we be bi atie anase we be bi ahwe wo GCN page ha Mary Buedu eye blogger wo Facebook na okasa de ma NDC amayoku no Ona kuya so eka eku a watu ni din fix the country Mary Buedu eka ho na yebeka ya 2020 abra yeba beto aba no oye campaign de ma omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama a enya asem keto akra na Mary kire se ono oye NPP ni mapa ne maame ni nua ene his excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado but osusu se Nanado embu omani ye enti na o campaign de ma omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama said de beya oba begiyen efi ahochra his excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado ediyen ekumeno emu na Mary Buedu na okase na nsema okin na ne se eniama oyema omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no omanpani dada man ono Mary no nsa esifem why you disappointed omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ni mu papa penya asem keto akra na omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama wanye fair to ono Mary Buedu no na ensem no emu enchiremu ni se ebeka ya 2020 abra ye ba beto aba no ensem bebre na esisi ene campaign ahodo a fix the country for eye ede etia NPP amayoku Nanado enya asem keto akra wo Ghana hanom Mary Buedu eye campaign ditia NPP amayoku a o kire se his excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado ye no wo fakra no oye campaign ede etia no ebeka ya UK omo eye demonstration wo ho a omo kire se omo pese omo tu NPP amayoku Nanado ne nkofo no mokọ because amembu no omo ehu so ni na omo ye yankwa nkosiaga his excellency Nanado Dankwa Ekufuado na winning 2020 abato no na ewoma na nansen entokwa kakra eba Mary Buedu na Kelvin Taylor omo entem na entokwa na eba omo entem no Kelvin Taylor ebetena Facebook ne platform so etutu bi mane Mary Buedu enya asem keto akra Mary nso kanadwen de kire Kelvin Taylor o kire se Kelvin wanye din a ensem onu Mary ni beyi agufem na nya asem keto akra na ewosa ensemi mu na Mary kire so do watu ne hofo because kamia koye se NDC fo no woye won papa woye won papa na omo de bone etua woka nti ono wafa ne ho adwen na enano his excellency omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama edi ne birthday na ne birthday na odi no na Sonny Badu a oye gospel musician ede omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne picture eto ni Instagram page na ode caption eto ho na ensema Sonny Badu kan yina ene se oda omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama siye papa na otu ne fomre bia besin kose se ne ndwomto no opese ode ekwawie na ne hu entwem na ne hu embatanya ontwe ne hu free politics ho na no na Mary Buedu kire se we di omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne hu ya because omanpani dada ne ndi ne yie kra onim se afutu na wanfantu no na 2020 otina Facebook edi amanfo atem kaseti a omanpani Nanado ni na se ne be ya wo beba power ntia and they were who there NDC grassroots omo de eye no serial callers omo ma comment wo Facebook fix the country for na kasa de and what dey no even 2020 about e ba beto kra amanfo bro ono Mary Buedu nimba na ne kundua all in the name of omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama wo beba power nti na NDC for mo adan no echi e de ama no na tem de dia ekotwi ba breman na wode ma ono Mary Buedu wo Facebook na chese wenu no ho kra wenu no ho so campaign de ma NDC amayoku no nti omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama old ni birthday no na Mary chese message we enko enfa ema no na wo omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama unim se politics enye na one country no wantu ono fo no wantwe ne ho enfi politics ho a and the ordinary wabeshe politics mu a NDC for omu edi na temsa ewo Facebook nti o mampenda da John Dramani Mahama oni no endi ni yie kra na yentie nsem ama webuedu ede etudwa.
President Mahama, I sat here in 2020. I screamed my lungs out for you. I believed in you. I believed in your campaign. I campaigned for you. I left my own. Me jame dear to ho. And I may be foul, dear President Mahama. Today, your party people are sitting on social media calling me all manner of names. Adentia may say I don't want to be associated with somebody anymore. O party grassroots for say omontiasie. Oh, Marie no yent mean trust no. Marie no you need to join the group with BM. Marie no yent me fanny may and BM. Marie and this penny for I was a musrono. Marie not to say President Mahama. Me jame dear to ho. Me jame dear to ho. And I me be di wechi. One kasankasa dear one ye me bonibia. But my message and you apart from wishing you a very blessed happy birthday, and he said there's a lot of work you need to do with Opati Fono, grassroots Fono, and Siasia Ngejuma. President Mahama, mama ne anything, mama ni hunu anything. Mama ni hunu nyina ni se mi bedi wechi. Mama ni hunu on social media, nyina ni se mi bedi wechi. And it hasn't only affected me, it has affected my husband, it is affecting my children. President Mahama, wechi ami bedi yenti ye bomi dria bomi kunu bomi madria. And wechi ami bedi yenti wow party for esi mesuni pakra de omu humbida. How do I campaign for you again in 2024? Me yenipa boni be na me ye boni am ye ya ne say Sebe me believe in you. Na me believe in party. Na me join a party no. Na me who se proye koso wo party no mu. Na me bekaye me boni enye. Enwumre ya nche be a few minutes ago ya na me ko hu ade we Facebook so. Na me ko hu Dr. Sonny Badu ne page. And na me ko hu say Dr. Sonny Badu pay tribute to you on Ube Day. Na Dr. Sonny Badu say at the time I mimi who ye na 21 minutes ago or they beto hon chair. Dr. Sonny Bedu say happy birthday to you, sir. You gave me some advice that I will never forget. You said, Sonny, stay away from politics. Getting involved in politics will kill your career. Sonny Bedu say you're a man of wisdom. Thank you, sir, for everything. I appreciate you. My question, President Mahama, tonight is that how come you never told me to stay away from campaigning for you? How come you never advised me also to stay away from Ghanaian politics? But you watched me campaign for you. Sebiompo, even before I started campaigning for you, when I was telling the world the truth, said debut, me hunu kurebi. Papa no oye niema binom, and the way na miame mami nuanom treaty papa no enko ye mame. Enti no mame kano kura na ewa asem no eno na ma wo te me nka a wo reach out to me asebio me no kasa for the first time few seconds bi pe utumi da amase and I kept life moving. Since then no me nja wachi I continue to campaign for you. But ene no it abeye adeswa e de atome so o party we mom de nyame enim no kure NDC fo bi no even in the diaspora here NDC form pen no kure ba kupusi nanka obi de yenka ekufu ado ne MPP fo de yenka but I project the same project na we party mo no and the mama yenka. President, this is why you are losing. This is why you've lost twice. And I'm sure by this time it's a video, but you agree with me. You will agree with me. This is why you've lost twice. Look at your people. Instead, say you bet discuss idea no. na ya fixi ade no ansa na ya koye nim no. Look at them. And no mo sorry and na we snitch and na we traitor and na we betrayer and na we betray JM and na we pese JM be win and na we pay JM asem and na we pay one asem. Just because I don't come and share everything I'm doing behind back door no, on social media no, what they see, or do you see how shallow-minded some of these people are? And President Mahama, the funny aspect of this whole conversation is that they think that by them saying all these things on social media, JM Befa Marie won't time. Yen say ma NDC mpanimfo yen say no yen trotro nyema we nyina wo social media so na yen fan say na ma NDC mpanimfo yen fan say na ma JM the JM kwa on trust no enti there be JM on trust me MPP for JM on trust me MPP for monke who say 2024 nye JM nkwa na hia nipa se be campaign ama no ba wo me